Installing the adapter for Lexus 7th Generation ES. Step 1. Remove the rearview mirror covers. Gently push the large cover forward to loosen it. Remove the small cover. Use the included trim tool, provided in your package, to carefully pry along the edges of the small cover. Then remove the large cover. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. Locate the vehicle's original 10-pin connector and disconnect it. Use the provided Y cable, included in your package. Connect the vehicle's original 10-pin connector to the 10-pin port on the Y cable. Plug the Y cable's 10-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the adapter's port. Step 3. Install the adapter. Push the large cover backward to securely position it. Neatly tuck all cables into place. Peel off the 3M type backing on the adapter and mount it to the windshield. Align and press the small cover firmly back into position. Connect the adapter to your dashcam using the included USB cable. Final step, verify operation. Start the vehicle's ignition. The adapter's LED screen will display 5V voltage, as shown below, confirming successful install.